Good morning, everybody. Except it's not morning, it's evening. It is our final day. Final day here at the homestead. We're getting everything packed up, and one of the questions we get a lot is how we pack to be on the road. We're going to be gone for almost 5 weeks exactly this trip. Then we're home for like 6 weeks, and then we're gone for 3 months. So the thing is, we pack the same way whether we're gone for 5 weeks or whether we're gone for 6 months. And Angie's like, you know what? We should show them what we do, how we do it, and all that fun stuff. So, without further ado, let's head to the bedroom. Bow chicka wow wow. What's she saying? Angie's mouthing.
I'm laughing because, that sounds awesome.
We're heading to the bedroom. Bow chicka wow wow.
Welcome to my bedroom.
Welcome to Mama's bedroom.
I love roses.
She does. Well, she likes black and red
skulls.
and skulls and yes, and skulls. See skulls? All right. Anyway, so how do you pack for a woman?
For a woman?
For a woman for 5 weeks.
Yeah. Well, like I heard you saying, I'm not packed for everything to wear for 5 weeks. Because we're going to be someplace at some point in time to wash. Either somebody's house, or you've always got at the hotel. You've got a washer and dryer there. So in this case, I look at the weather. I know I'm going to be cold because you guys know I'm cold all the time. Summertime, I'm bringing more tanks and shirts and a couple of long sleeves. In this case, it's springtime. We have no idea last time we went. Well, 2 years ago, it was snowing. So t-shirts and long sleeves. I pack...
No tank tops?
No tank tops this time. I usually do 7 days. So 7 days of clothes, and then of course I'm wearing a pair. So I put aside my one pair, what I'm wearing for the day that we leave. So I got 7 shirts. In this case, I've got, I don't even know how many long sleeves, but I've
7
got
jackets,
hoodies, lots of long sleeves. I think there's actually only 6 shirts here. They're t-shirts and then long sleeves. I've got my leather in the saddle bag and my vest. Layers. You guys, you're gonna make fun of me, but I have 3 pairs of their
leggings.
Yep. To go under my jeans.
Yeah, because you're taking 5 pair of jeans?
But they also, like, if I'm not wearing them under my jeans and they're still like pajamas. So at the same time, like pajamas here too. So what I'm not wearing, I can wear as pajamas. So
4 pair of jeans, a bunch of shirts, a bunch of underwear.
My leggings?
Yes.
Oh, I've got 7 pairs of underwear. More than 7 pairs of socks. It's get cold at night, and I need socks at night, and they're long. Some are long socks, some are short socks. Shoes, I bring. I've got an extra pair of slip-on shoes because there's going to be weeks or days that we're not necessarily riding. And then I have my high tops, and then it's going to be cold. I know it. I just have this feeling. So I have my boots that go basically up to my knees. And I will be able to get all this, no problem, into my bag.
She's got a bag just like I got.
Yeah.
Our Nelson Rig bags. We really like them. They're great.
My hygiene bag and all the stuff I need to be a girl, be girly girl. It'll fit in there. I think you'd be surprised. We roll our clothes. We roll everything up nice.
You can kind of see in here. See, that's a pair of shorts I take. We roll everything up.
Yeah.
Takes up less room.
Squish it around and get it all in there. So, yeah. I got my Kindle, a belt, all our plugs for cords, stuff for phones and Kindle.
All right. So how do you do the same thing for a guy? Right? Same thing. I pack an 8. 8 pair of underwear, 8 pair of socks, 8 t-shirts. I have 2 long sleeve shirts and a hoodie. I have my jacket in the bike, my big heavy jacket. Then I have a pair of shorts. I take flip-flops, and I take the shoes that I'm going to be riding in. This year, I'm actually taking my fitness shoes as well. If if I can fitness them into my bag. And then that's it. That's all I pack. My hygiene bag, my computer, of course, all my cords. That takes up a lot of space.
What about a suit? Did you bring a swimsuit? I brought a swimsuit.
I do have a swimsuit just in case we get swimsuity, but it's cold, so I wouldn't. Hot tubs.
Where there's a hot tub.
that would probably be more likely what we would hit. I take 2 pair of jeans and I wear a pair, so 3 pair of jeans. Basically, we have to do laundry once a week. So as long as we can be at a hotel or at a friend's house where we can do laundry once a week, I have never ran out of clothes. On all the trips we've taken,
nope.
I've never been, I have to stop and do laundry. I'm out. So I've never ran out of clothes. Probably because we acquire shirts and stuff along the way. And then the worst case scenario is where if we run out of underwear, we just go to buy some more underwear or something. So you always have that case.
That's what I think. If we really need something, there's millions of stores to go pick up stuff.
Right.
So, in the bag we have dish soap to wash out our cups. We have laundry soap for when we're going places if we need it.
I carry Keurig coffee with me and creamer. Because I gotta have my coffee and I gotta have my creamer, so I carry that with me. We carry snacks. So I usually have like beef jerky. What else do we usually carry? Some kind of...
I have all the drink mixes to put in my waters.
Yeah, so we usually carry like hydration drink mixes for our waters to keep us hydrated. And then snacks. We'll pick up chips or something along the way and just have them in the bike in case we need them. You just never know. Like, you ever get that like, holy crap, I'm starving and I'm going to pass out if I don't eat? Well... sometimes you're in the middle of nowhere when that happens, so you can break out beef jerky or whatever and make sure that you're nourished.
Some money.
Or save some money.
Because if you're on the road all the time, you're spending money instead of gas.
A full meal, right? Or a gas station, because we buy it, from Walmart, so it's much cheaper.
Yeah.
And then we just eat our own jerky when we stop at the gas station. Anything else? Anything else you want to tell them about traveling this long?
Yeah, it all works out.
It all works out.
It all works out. And we don't see enough people all the time that people are like, oh my God, she was wearing that same outfit last week. And everybody understands you're on the road and you're getting dirty and bug guts and we're bikers, right?
Well, and the truth of the matter is, like, I have 3 of the same shirt. Like the new Wrecked Rider Fund, I brought 3 of those because I want to wear those out. So, I mean, a lot of times we have 2 or 3 of the same shirt we've got packed too. So you may see it multiple times within the week, but it is what it is. Tonight's that like nervous energy though. Like I have this energy, like I got to get it packed. I'm really close, but I'm not quite done. I went out and fired up the bikes, checked all the fluids, checked the tires. I did all the stuff for the bikes. So literally in the morning, we should be able to just throw everything, our hygiene bag in our bag, and strap it to the bike. So Mama has something else.
I bring like an extra little bag to put the dirty clothes in to keep those separated from your clean clothes because it's all together.
Good call.
So another bag, yeah.
Like I carry a Walmart sack. I also do that with my shoes. So I put my shoes in Walmart sacks to keep the dirt off of the clothes because they're all in the same compartment. Yeah. Like you got to shove everything together. So keeping that type of stuff separate, Walmart sacks work great for that. And they're multi-purpose.
I mean, they can look right now. All I have left is, that's my shirts, underwear, everything. I just have these long sleeve ones to throw in the top, and this is completely
empty. So plenty of room for clothes.
Yeah.
You can do it, guys. We used to, I remember when we could barely squeeze everything into our bags. So we're getting better at this whole traveling thing. We know kind of exactly what to take. We've done it enough. You will get the same way if you travel. So pack what you need. Just think, worst case scenario, I'll buy whatever I forget. And hopefully you don't forget anything. Anyway, that is it. Tomorrow morning, you're going to see us say good morning as we fire up the bikes and we head to Anniston, Alabama, which is about a 600-mile ride. Tomorrow's going to be a full day. Say bye.
Bye, guys.
Honey, say bye. Bye. They're leaving me. They're leaving me. I'm going to miss them. Bye-bye.